When you come to Johannesburg, you can feel the energy.
It's like where the gold is. When you want to make it in life, Joburg is the place.
It has so much culture and it's really gorgeous.
Soweto is amazing. I love being in Soweto.
We've got a lot of originality here. There's love, there's art, and there's fashion.
This is the pulse of Africa that needs to be explored.
Joburg is made of stars, you know. They influence the whole world.
Soweto is such an exciting place for a traveler. There's just so much to discover.
3, 2, 1.
I love the energy of Soweto.
This is bananas!
My favorite place here has to be Brown.
I like to come to a place where I can just be me.
Soweto is a melting pot.
Desmond Tutu was here, Mandela was here. They love the food when they come here to Sakumzi.
Joburg is life.
It's vibrant, lots and lots of fun. It has so much culture.
It's the hidden gem.
Meet new friends every single day.
It's amazing.
I love it.
Come and join us.